So today I'm talking about what you should expect from your local bathroom showroom's installation team when they're starting a project in your home. So obviously I don't know how others work, but what I'd like to do is give you an overview of our process and how we work in a home so you know what to expect from a local bathroom installation company when they're working with you. So what we do on day one is we turn up with the installation team. So he'll be turning... I can't get it right. So obviously I don't know how others work, but what I'd like to do is give you an overview of our process so you know what to expect when you've got a bathroom installation company working in your home. So on day one, the installation turn up all fired up, ready to go, along with the project manager. This is just to make sure everything is getting set out correctly. So one of the most important things to do is make sure that everything's being covered correctly. The stairs, the hallway, any landing areas that might need protective against the rip out of your old bathroom being prepared for the new one. So this will happen during the whole process of the job. A bathroom generally takes 2 to 3 weeks of installation. So during them 2 to 3 weeks, every week you'll get a visit from the designer once a week. Twice a week you'll get a visit from the project manager, generally always on a Monday and a Friday, and then you get regular calls throughout the week from the customer service team. This is just making sure everything's running as smoothly as it possibly can and you're happy with having the installers and everything going on in your home. The next part of that, we'll get towards the end of the job. This is where we get to the sign off. So this is where the installers said they're all done and dusted. The project manager will turn up on site just to make sure you're happy. And then we move into what could be snagging. So if there's any little defects in some painting, you're not happy with a bit of silicone in, anything like that, that's called snagging. So that's where the project manager will get the installation team back in just to tie up them few little loose ends and make that happen and get that right. And then we get to the big sign off. That's when the designer comes around, makes sure you're happy, takes loads of beautiful photos of your lovely new bathroom for our portfolio, and just so we can see your face and your reaction on how beautiful it has become, and the outcome is what exactly you was wanting to achieve. And then if you're brave enough to leave a video testimonial for your local showroom, that's amazing. But if you can't do that, just a review, Google or Facebook, because that's what it's about for us. This is where we get the most satisfaction, knowing that you've got that dream sanctuary of a bathroom that you've always wanted.